YouTube, what up? It's your boy Alex the Barber, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're gonna have a nice little transformation for y'all. I'm gonna get my boy right. He was wolfing for a good 2 to 3 months. Before we get right into it, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and also comment down below. Alright guys, so we're just gonna be taking down the hair with the number 8 guard. This will be the biggest guard we'll be using this haircut. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright, now that we knocked it all down with the number 8 guard, we're going to begin to set in our first guideline. And I'm going to put it in as a triangle just so I can keep the hairlines dark, both on the back, by the ear, and on the side. Right after that step, we're going to go in by using our clipper. I'm going to be using my Endless Masters. And then for the neck taper, you guys will see I'm going to use the Magic Clips. But right now, we're going to go up about 1/2 inch and set in that first guideline. Now we're going to begin to fade out that bottom line. We're going to move the lever halfway to the middle and just play with that line. Remember to always flick out when you're trying to fade out that bottom line. As you see right here, it's fully closed. And we're just going to remove that bottom line. This will take it out completely. Now with the 1 guard, we're going to go up about another 1/2 inch. We're going to have the lever all the way open. As you see right here, I just closed the lever and we're going to work out that bottom line. Now we're going to use the 1/2 guard with the lever all the way closed to remove that bottom line completely. The 1 guard closed was just to soften up that line to make it easier to blend out with this 1/2 guard. Now to remove all that dark spots on the top of the taper, we're going to go in with the 2 guard open. Now you close the lever and work that line out. And it won't come out all the way, so we're going to come back in with the 1 open and just clean up that line. Now to continue blending out the top of the taper, we're going to go in with the 3 guard with the lever closed and just flick straight up. Now we're going to begin doing the neck taper. It's exactly the same steps, but like I said, I'll be using the Magic Clips. So right now we're just sitting in our first guideline. Now with the lever open, we're going to begin another guideline, going up about 1/2 inch. Now as you see right here, I'm going to begin by closing the lever slowly to work out that line. For our next guideline, we'll be using the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, going about a full inch on this one. guard. Instead of going straight with the one closed, we're gonna begin with the lever closed, pushing the line up slowly. And as we get to the top, we're gonna open up the lever, and hopefully it blends right into that one guard open. Now with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, we're gonna begin to debulk the top of the taper. But we're actually gonna create a new guide line. So we're gonna flick up with this one, trying not to create a guide line, but we are gonna create a guide line. Now with the one open, we're just gonna remove that line that we created. Even though we already used it, we just want to retouch any dark spots that we see. And now with the 3 guard, we're just going to debulk the top of the taper just to give it that nice burst shape we had. As you can see, this is the taper without the lineups. So now we're gonna begin by starting with the back, making it as natural as we can and as crispy as we can. Make sure when you're by the ear, like at the top of the ear, you pull down the ear so you can get that nice round shape behind it. Remember when you're doing the front lineup to always start in the middle and work your way across to one side, then work your way back towards the middle and work your way all the way through the other side. This will help you keep that nice and straight line. So that was the taper with the lineups. So here's the after, and this is the side we haven't done yet. So I'm gonna just fast forward this side and then show you guys the final product.
Boy, if you don't get...
Alright guys, so there's the before. As you can see, it was nice and grown out. It was in need of a cut. And this is the cut. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I got 3 videos coming. I got 1 prank, so stay tuned. Let's get it.